just love to have a taste of the pleasure in the rise. Let me take you to a place where lust is all that matters. Feel the static up inside your brain. She's just a demon lover, grab her soul and drag it under evil as a motherfucker. But I still don't let you suffer. When you're out six, we gon' travel through the woods. I'ma show you what it is. Take a look up at the moon, then I grab her by the hand. Gotta play a feeling like I was the only man. Into the flames I slowly slip, stepping through the vines in the late night.
dusty trails got me feeling lost on the roads. Why do they want the fall of my forgotten soul? Staring out the window, is there someone looking back? Hear my name called and put me on the tab. Everybody in the neighborhood wants a piece. If you don't get it, then hungry's how you sleep. Wipe that smile off your face, no room for an ego. Real life, get a taste, then you'll see that you are people. Head first, I swear I was born with the curse. Bloodline is infected on my people, all the worst. Showing love, go another with a knife in the bag. No trust for the other, see the truth is a drag. Wake me up from the slave, eternally on the grave. With the trio on the grave, there's no hiding from the beast. You can see it coming in the distance. Hollow is like father, now my son, it's time to be reborn. Bloodlust, it seems a must. Things so big, my mind in place. I feel the need to give a touch. Hit the brain and bring a rush. This reality I'm edging on the dust. Better get myself a grip because the ending's looking rough.
Come take a trip with me into the mind of a madman, searching for peace. This virus, it cuts away at my lungs, and so I'm puffing on that weed. Ease the brain, and ain't my fault. Brothers dead and gone, and every person brings a problem. I guess just in this case, I'm seeing visions of the grotto. I never knew the product was lurking deep inside my conscience, but today I woke up feeling change was an optional. Soon I'll hit the grave. I work this jobless every day, and leaves my hands bleeding. I fuck the system on the daily, and I'll never beat them. Fuck it, that's how I'm living. And if you got some beef, I'll be happy to serve your burgers till you cripple. I told you, homie, pay your dues, not your guns. This life will leave you hanging like a bitch if you won't. So I suggest you hop in line and break that bread that you owe. There ain't no mercy for the weak, we living rotten, it's over, that's how it is. A wolf on the street, the off in the woods praying. The sheep lies in wait, just wishing it could, going crazy. You suckers better listen, there's no one else to blame but you yourself and all that mess that you bring to the table. We're on a path of destruction, but that ain't nothing new. The government still owns us all, receive a caution food. Me, I'ma ride with my pride in my pack until I'm through. I'm finna feel this raining blood, bring me on the move. on this earth, it feels so cold. The future's looking dim, my friend, you're faded, can't be choked. Let these spoken words of truth relieve some stress. Like that motherfucker
to be. Take me to another place, one that I can never be.
So shoot me out to the edge of space. I need to gain control of my mind. I feel I'm trapped inside this place. You can't do shit about it. The simulation hasn't changed in my mind. Sometimes it seems like we're alone and everything is alive. Time simply isn't phased by the presence of humans. The mothership that's left to die. So creation proof the zodiac, it holds the truth, but it's because by the rules of our physics. So take a trip through the vision. I know I'm crazy, but what can I do? I am no different from the rest. The chip that sits in my head, I look up at the moon. We all are stuck inside this matrix together. So quit the race and the legend. Stay the break with depression and hatred. Terra firma, watch the way while the Martians they laugh. We choose to blow up our planet with nuclear contract. Nobody cares about the future, man, it's really fun. I'd rather leave this world that hasn't gonna beat me up. Azazel himself is behind all these urges to kill. I'm a monster, I'll burn with the rejects in hell. Remorse isn't something important to me. I've been cursed with the day of my death. Suspect that your life just might end any second. The devil he feeds off the bitch. These choices we've made on this earth shall reflect in the end. It should all come together. You can run if you want, but there ain't no escape. Soon the gates they will close. The resurgence awakens. The purpose of praying eventually falls with our face in the pavement. The war against anger, depression, and rage is a problem at stake. So I'll walk when it rains. I am sorry for losing. You must be mistaken. This world is a joke being played on the public, and no one can save us. The sensitive taste that remains in the music today is disgusting. I hate it with passion. The faking of sadness is such a disgrace. I'm ashamed to have witnessed this tragedy happen. If shit doesn't change, pretty soon we will fade as a broken up nation controlled by this hatred. The media pushes upon every race. You should bow to your master, it's best you obey. Fascists and pain with no conscience in mind. Now our country is dead, we've been severed by violence. So precious was safety until we were drowned in the lakes of oppression. The fire, the cadaver, the Leviathan waits in the place of your heaven. The Bible is selling you lies, it's a fact. Come and follow the text of this not to let go. You can't stop Armageddon, so bow to the pest.
Take a look in the mirror every day. I am changing my eyes. Bear no light from the sleep they have caved in. I seem to lose touch from the morals of man. I do not know what's fit from the government's hand. Chase the message of freedom while locked up in shackles. I see all these sheep fall into their oppressors. The mindset asserted to you as they grow. If money's your king, that is all you should know. My visions of clarity, some call insanity. Having no shame, my results of barbarity. Burning this melody into your brain. When will you learn just to accept all life's pain? This is the burden that you have been given. We're spread open up, just embrace the cold feeling. Reality stresses as time seems to age. Nothing's forever, your promises fade. The light doesn't